Good afternoon. My name is Nigel McCartney and the company is Design Communications based in Bury St Edmunds. Thank you for joining me this afternoon. My topic this afternoon is to talk about business continuity and how to thrive and survive in the post-COVID-19 world. I think it's obviously something we're all very acutely aware of, and for better or worse, it is going to have a difference as to how we do business in the future. Once we are able to get out of lockdown, things will have changed beyond measure. I'd like to start with a quote from John F. Kennedy, and his quote was, "The Chinese use two brushstrokes to write the word crisis. One brushstroke stands for danger, the other for opportunity. In a crisis, be aware of the danger, but recognize the opportunity." And I think what we are trying to highlight this afternoon is that positive message whereby if you do look out for the opportunities and adopt a more flexible working style, then things will be better for you and your staff going forward. There's been a big boom, as you've probably recognized, with remote working in terms of video conferencing and all those type of tools to try and get things working smarter. But what we are looking to do at Design Communications is actually offer smart working all in one package. So you don't need lots of different tools and using a video conferencing and a call recording and a voice and a chat. All of those can be incorporated into one platform. We are very much of the mind that smart working is here to stay. It's desirable. There's a 15 to 20% increase in productivity by having people working more flexibly. Staff like it, nearly 60% increase in satisfaction. And it also has a positive benefit on your business overheads in terms of it could reduce your overheads by 35%. For example, here Barclays are saying, why do they want 7,000 people travelling into a central office in London when they could have people working remotely and being more efficient and cost effective? So what you need is a solution that enables you to function and all your employees to function as if they were in the same room and in the same office, but better and more effectively. 68% or nearly 70% of businesses have a smart working policy, and over 70% of employees would like to take up that opportunity. And I think that will be even more so the case once people have experienced working from home. They will realize that smart working, particularly when they can mix that with being able to work from where they want, when they want, will be much more accessible in the world going forward. There's a potentially 25% increase in staff retention as well. So there's a real win-win possibility of smart working and flexible working if you can provide the right tools for yourself and your staff. The Wildix solution that you can see here is very much designed to have everything all in one place, and that you can choose whichever device you want to work smartly. So you can have up to 10 devices connected. So your home PC, your office PC, your mobile phone, your laptop, tablet, all of those can be connected, and whichever device you have with you or you choose to use is what you would be able to use. And the same in terms of working with colleagues. You can chat with them, video call them, telephone call them, share screens, share documents. So literally everything in the one place enables you to communicate by whichever is the most efficient and effective and desirable way to communicate with colleagues. Chat and group chat is available, and that's secure and encrypted in your own space. Video conferencing with full recording is available. So all of those training and key video conference sessions that you have can be recorded and kept. Screen sharing and file sharing, as I've mentioned, enables you, for example, to share a quote with a customer and be able to see exactly, they can see exactly what it is you're proposing. You're both working on the same document, and you can edit it on the fly if you need to, but it enables you to communicate effectively with your customers without necessarily going to go and visit them. You've got real-time presence of colleagues, and again, you can choose obviously how to contact them and what's the most efficient way to contact them, depending on the urgency of the situation. So everything is as a service. You can choose a monthly subscription if you don't want to tie yourself into 3 or 5 years. You can have a month-by-month rolling contract, and we provide hardware as a service also on a monthly basis, so that the hardware is always up to date and you have exactly what you need when you need it, without buying a lot of redundant handsets, etc., that you no longer need in a year or two's time. If you don't need it, you stop your subscription. True flexibility of both type of working and the commercial contract that you're entering into. Websites. You spend a lot of money developing a nice looking website, hopefully. This tool, the Wildix solution, enables you to embed in real time availability all your staff or departments. So if you've got a technical support department, you can have a support team button, and people can either call, chat, or video call. So any of your customers going onto the website, or potential customers hopefully going onto your website, will be able to communicate with you in a method of their choice and get through to you. And this is thought to lead to about 35% more business coming through from your website. So as you can see here, I'm logged into now our Design Communications live system. It's purely via a tab on my browser, and in real time I can see the status of any of my colleagues. I can make a phone call. In addition, I can also send a text, send a fax, or do a post-it note, either as a reminder or to a colleague. Video conference, and that video conferencing can be on the fly or set up for a particular time and date. And also that can be recorded. Any chat I can is all secure and encrypted, and I can chat with colleagues in real time and see whether they're responding and that they've read the message. I've got a phone book of all the different contacts that have been loaded in, and a call log history, and also any messages that are needing to be dealt with. In addition, I can actually have a look at a map view and see whereabouts colleagues are anywhere in the country. Should I want to, I can also change my identity. So if we have a look at our website, you can see that that's our current status is showing myself as Do Not Disturb and colleagues away. I can change that in real time, very simply put myself online. It's changed to online, and you can see now on our website I'm showing is available. That's the real power of unified communication and collaboration. So I would just like to sum up really by thanking you for listening. We provide the full range of services, generally where we can on a monthly basis, so you're not tied into long-term contracts, but your whole voice, data and mobile solution can be all under one roof and provided in a very straightforward and flexible format. So again, thank you for listening, and take care, keep safe.